it is cold out here. It's 35 degrees right now. We just got a cold front that moved in the day I'm reviewing this barbecue. But you know what's cool? The thing that's cool most is that everybody who watches my show, we took a survey, and they don't ever stop grilling. So this is going to be a great review. It's a nice brisk morning. We're going to fire it up. It's going to get nice and warm around the fire. We're going to get all our stuff ready. I'll show you as we go. But basically, I just want to thank Monument Grills for sending me this beast. It's going to be fun. So let's see how it goes. So I got to tell you, the dog does not come with the barbecue. That's right. She's just checking it out right now. Making sure that those neon lights are going to work. Good job. Keep looking. All right, so here it is before we light it up the first time. We've tried all the burners. Everything works great. Gets hot fast. I believe this has 60,000 BTU, but double check on the internet. I'm almost positive that's what I read. And it's got 6 burners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do like 40 burgers at one time. Plus you got that top rack there. That's where I put all my meat when it's kind of done. I just want to keep it warm off the fire a little bit. Take it up a little bit. And then let me show you what we got on the side here. So on this side, we got this, a side burner. Now all of you know how the side burner works. Works right off the propane tank also. And it's kind of, what do you use a side burner for? You use a side burner to, like, let's say you marinated all your short ribs. All your short ribs are marinated, and you just pulled them out and put them on the grill. Then you want to heat up and cook your sauce so there's no bacteria, and you heat it up right there. Then you grab the meat and you dunk it in the marinade, and you put it back on the grill. Then you making a barbecue sauce out of here. You heat it up here. You brush it on the meat. You do whatever you want. Now, on the other side, you've got this searing area. I like to call it a searing station. What do they call it? They call it a sear side, okay? And basically, this gets red hot. And this is where you put your steaks and your dogs and anything else you want to give it a good sear on the outside. This all gets really nice and hot. It's right on the other side of the barbecue. Okay, guys, so Robert's here. You remember Robert? We had the wings together. That was awesome. Remember those wings?
Those wings.
Do you remember what were they called?
Oh my God, no, I don't remember them. I remember the taste of them.
You only bought the sauce, didn't you? Or I did. I don't remember. Weren't they Thunder Wings?
Thunder Wings.
Thunder
yes.
Wings. What a great trip that was. Yeah, we had some good food. That was crazy. You ready to do some more good food?
I can't wait. I am excited. I've been looking forward to this all week
I'm looking forward to all these because I've not used these on ribs, on anything.
So this one right here, I'm really interested in. We may save this for last. I think it's going to be more of a candied rib with a raspberry chipotle flavor. It's got that sweet up front flavor and that little spice on the back end. So I make jokes of dessert ribs. Let me see. Next over here, we've got our garlic jalapeno. Ooh, some nice spice. And who doesn't love garlic? One of my favorite seasonings ever.
Oh, yeah. They know I love garlic.
Now, this sauce, this is one you were telling me you hadn't opened it. We tried it earlier. I'm excited to see how this one tastes on the ribs. A little bit more of a, I don't want to say ketchup-y flavor, but more of that ketchup texture to it. And I can't wait to see what that does. But
this was really good when we tried it by itself.
Oh, yes, it was.
All right.
And our last, and I saved this one for last on purpose. You're telling me you just get rave reviews on this one.
All the time. I've never tried it.
Today's going to be a treat for us then.
Everybody loves Meat Church and another like Cosmos Q. Those are like the 2 top ones everybody recommends me use.
And yet I've never tried them. I'm just a salt and pepper kind of guy.
Well, you may be a new believer.
Let's find out. And you said you're a heavy seasoner, right?
Yeah, I don't care. You can never put too much. Yeah, just rub it in and that's it. Whatever sticks, sticks. That's how I am.
All right, here we go. We got some heavy seasoning.
This is the Meat Church.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, so we're doing the other rub now, garlic jalapeno.
Ooh, yeah.
I know how good this is, by the way, guys, so I'm kind of
Judging by the emptiness of this bottle, how light it is, I could tell.
Yeah, help yourself still. I'll buy more.
The raspberry chipotle. Yes.
And a lot of you like to do mustard, but we figure there's enough moisture from the meat, from opening the package and all the stuff we drained off. There's enough moisture.
Whew.
Don't care about how much you waste.
Slathering this up
There
nicely.
you go. That's good. That looks great. That has a cork on it.
Oh, yes.
I guess so. Good bourbon has a cork. Grill's nice and hot now.
Get up in here. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
That's the sound of
I
magic.
love the sizzle. There we go. All right.
2 more.
These are going good. Ooh, that side seems a little bit hotter. And all my knobs are set the same. Okay guys, you can see all the meats, all the veggies. Okay guys, we're kind of loaded now. And I got one dog on the searing station, so we'll show you how that works.